This is 𝗧ci 𝗰𝗵𝗶 with a Tai Chi for Balance practice video. In this video, I'll guide you through circle number 7 in our 7-circle Tai Chi for Balance exercise set. This is coronal circles plus weight shift plus hip turn while feeling our feet in center. So with that, let's begin. Establish the by now familiar alignments of neutral posture. Feet parallel under the hips, knees unlocked. Tailbone relaxed down, midriff open, occiput lifted. The basic structure. And release your shoulders and upper back. Feel for a sense of openness in the armpits. Let your arms hang comfortably at your sides. A sense of openness in the armpits. Drop your mind down to your feet, your hard-working feet, and balance the pressures on your feet, between each foot and on each foot. And move your mind up to the top of your head, your crown point. Mine's right here. And drop your mind straight down through your body to your perineum, the bottom of the pelvis, feeling your center. In this exercise, we'll aim to maintain a vertical center throughout. So with that, let's begin. Take a stance, put a foot forward. Shift weight back. Place your hands at the bottom of your coronal circle. Turn your hips into your back leg. Then smoothly shift weight forward, turn your hips, circle up and out. Shift weight back, turn your hips, circle down and in. Shift weight forward, circle up and out. Shift weight back, circle down and in. Feeling your feet. The pressure's constantly changing in our feet as we shift weight. Feel your center, aiming to maintain a vertical center. As you shift weight, turn your hips, extend the arms, and draw them back in. Come to the bottom of your coronal circle, change directions. Bending to the bottom of the circle, lightly stretching to the top. Come to the bottom of your coronal circle. Change your stance, please. Shift weight back, turn your hips into the weighted leg. Smoothly shift weight forward, turn your hips, circle up and out. Shift weight back, turn your hips, circle down and in. Feeling your feet, feeling your center. Aiming to maintain your center in the vertical. As you shift weight, turn your hips and make coronal circles. Come to the bottom of your coronal circle. Change directions. Two more. Last one for now. Come to the bottom of your coronal circle. Smoothly back to neutral. All right, that felt good. Enjoy your practice. I'll see you in the next video.